If you want to capture a specific area on a web page, I'm going to show you how to do it using a simple built-in screenshot feature in Microsoft Edge. The first thing we need to do is adding a screenshot icon to the toolbar. To do that, click on horizontal 3 dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. From the left panel, click on Appearance. Scroll down until you find Toolbar section, then click on it. Right here, you'll see a screenshot option. Go ahead and enable it. Screenshot icon will be added to your toolbar. Now, whenever you want to take a screenshot, simply click on Screenshot icon, then select a specific area you want to capture. Once you've selected your area, click on Save button, and the captured image will be saved to your computer. And here is the captured image of the area I selected. So that's how you can use Microsoft Edge to capture a specific area on any web page. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.